When you're single over 50, no one is coming to build your wealth for you. A discipline starts before the deal. It starts before negotiations, and it even starts before the numbers. It starts in preparation, quiet preparation. Independence isn't loud. It's showing up whether anyone else does or not. I operate as a co-owner of a Black woman-owned brokerage in Atlanta. My background spans residential and commercial real estate. Capital doesn't respond to emotion. It responds to structure. I've built at scale before. I understand growth, I understand collapse, and I understand what discipline protects. Wealth isn't built with excitement. It's built with repetition. Framework matters. Systems matter. Ownership changes how you move. When you've seen what mismanagement can cost, you build differently. No details, no blame, just experience. Being single after 50 doesn't mean isolated. It means self-led. There is no shared income, no shared risk, just structure, just clarity, just execution. I stepped away from real estate for a season. I chose what mattered. Now I'm back. Not rebuilding, evolving. When you build alone, you don't always get applause. You get results, you get clarity, you get control, and you get peace. I've learned something about building wealth alone. It requires steadiness, it requires boundaries, and it requires the ability to keep moving when emotions around you aren't aligned. Forward motion doesn't require permission. It requires discipline.